don't like it when you're strolling. They all act just like your friends. It don't matter what they're saying. They'll never understand the music, man. They don't care about tomorrow. Can't take back what you said. 3 a.m. fighting with your lady, staying out too late once again. Lord knows it ain't easy living life the way I do, sacrificing the right decision between the honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Come early morning, my head's aching. Down in town again, her heart keeps breaking. Fewer words never spoken. Spend all day trying to fix what's broken. And then I say, Lord knows it ain't easy living life the way I do. Yeah, I guess I got my reasons with all the things I put you through. Lord knows I ain't perfect. The best I can's all I can do. Sacrificing the right decision between the honky tonks and you. Between the honky tonks and you. Between the honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you. Honky tonks and you.
Said I love you till the day that I die. They didn't have a clue to be their final goodbye. He deployed overseas, he saved a few lives. He saved his whole platoon, but he never made it back alive. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him a chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for the I'll love him for the rest of my life. Died doing what he loved when he made that sacrifice. Yeah, all the ones that he saved that day, they all gathered around. They all shed their tears as they laid him in the ground. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him the chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Yeah, its cascade was wrapped in red, white, and blue. Yeah, they sent him off with a 21-gun salute. That's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him the chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. I can't believe you're gone away from me. Yeah, all I know is this ain't how it ought to be. Yeah, all I want is you right here. Shoulder to cry on or laugh over a beer. I hope you're flying high today, way above the clouds on them golden streets. I pray that you were one of the good ones. Yeah, you were one of the kind. It don't get any easier. Get you off of my mind. No, I don't want you off of my mind. I can't get no relief. It just breaks my heart that you're not here. Yeah, you got me falling apart. But if you were, I know what you'd say. There's a part of me you carry every day. Hope you're flying high today, way above the clouds on them golden streets. I pray you were one of the good ones. You were one of a kind. It don't get any easier. Get you off of my day, way above the clouds on them golden streets I pray. 'Cause you were one of the good ones, you were one of the kind. It don't get any easier to get you off of my mind, but I don't want you over my mind. I don't want you over my mind. Yeah. Don't want you over my mind.
I've been running down this highway my whole life long. Now there's nowhere to run to, now that you're all gone. You used to be my right, I'd be your man. There was no way we were leaving, but here I am, here I am. I'm somewhere on the West Coast, saying goodbye to a love that I won't lose, to a different life. Ain't the same man that I used to be. Yeah, it's just something that I need to see. Somehow we made it through, only God knows how. I'm caught in the middle of the then and now, then and now. I'm somewhere on the West Coast, saying goodbye to the love that I won't lose, to a different life. Somewhere on the West Coast, saying